Today, we're going to show you a trending niche video that is currently getting massive views on YouTube. As you can see in this example, we combined a cinematic train scene with powerful animal characters like a tiger, birds, and other wildlife elements. The final result looks stunning, dramatic, and highly engaging. First of all, go to YouTube and search for Gold Dust. You'll notice that this channel is trending right now. Many of their videos have reached millions of views. One video even crossed 5.1 million views, while others are in the hundreds of thousands. This clearly shows that this niche has strong viral potential. Now let's break down how you can create this type of video step by step. Step 1. Choose any video you like and take a screenshot of your favorite scene. Once your screenshot is ready, move to the next step. Open ChatGPT. Upload your screenshot there and type, "I want to create a similar type of video. Please give me 10 unique prompts like this image." Wait a few seconds, and you'll receive powerful, creative, and detailed prompts. For example, train in the morning fog, train with a tiger watching from the grass, train with flying birds, train with a black panther, and many more cinematic wildlife combinations. Each prompt will be unique, detailed, and professionally structured, giving your video a high-quality, viral-ready look. Carefully review all the prompts, save them, and copy the first one to use in your AI image generator. Alright viewers, without wasting any time, let's move to our next website, Higgsfield AI. Yes viewers, this platform is absolutely amazing and currently trending because it consistently launches powerful new AI tools. They regularly introduce updates in both the image and video sections. If we first go to the image section, you can see a wide range of powerful tools already available, from Nano Banana to Seedream and many others that have recently been uploaded. Now, if we switch to the video section, you'll find advanced models like Kling 3.0, Kling 2.6, and several other cutting-edge tools designed for high-quality cinematic video generation. Today, we're focusing on their newly released tool called Soul 2.0. This tool is incredibly powerful because we'll be using it to generate ultra-high-quality AI images for our project. Soul 2.0 is designed to deliver cinematic realism, sharp detailing, accurate lighting, and professional-level compositions, all with just a single prompt. First, click on the About section to review the highlights. You'll notice example images already uploaded that demonstrate the tool's capabilities: sharp details, realistic lighting, cinematic depth, and professional composition. These examples give you a clear idea of the quality you can expect. Now, without wasting time, click on Start Creating. Once you enter the dashboard, you'll see multiple configuration options. Soul 2.0 allows you to control modes, styles, camera angles, lighting variations, detail intensity, all within a single tool. This gives you complete creative control over how your image will be generated. Whether you want a dramatic cinematic look, soft morning fog, or high contrast action lighting, everything can be customized. Now let's upload our first prompt. After pasting the first prompt, select your aspect ratio. For YouTube videos, we'll choose 16.9. If you're creating shorts or reels, you can select a vertical ratio like 9:16 instead. Then click on Generate. Within 20 to 30 seconds, your image will be ready, rendered in stunning HD quality with professional clarity and depth. This clearly shows how powerful and optimized this tool is. Next, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click Generate again. After a short wait, your second image will be ready, featuring beautiful birds, cinematic train motion, realistic shadows, and impressive background depth. You'll also notice additional enhancement options below the image: upscale, enhance, relight, angles. These tools allow you to further improve sharpness, adjust lighting mood, refine textures, and experiment with different camera perspectives, all without leaving the platform. Now repeat the same process for the third prompt. Generate it and you'll see a dramatic Black Panther scene combined with a powerful cinematic train shot. Then continue with the fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, and 8th prompts, copying and pasting them one by one. Within minutes, you'll have a complete set of professional, full HD, cinematic quality images ready for production. As you can see, every single image looks unique, detailed, and visually stunning. The lighting, composition, realism, and sharpness truly stand out. Once all images are generated, download them. Now we move to the next step, adding animation and motion to bring these images to life. Go to the video section and select the Kling 2.0 option. Now upload your first generated image as the starting frame. Add your motion prompt, for example, cinematic camera movement, slow zoom in, dynamic train motion, wind effects, or dramatic lighting transitions. Then click Generate. After waiting about 1 to 2 minutes, your animated cinematic video will be ready. You'll notice smooth train movements, dynamic camera motion, realistic environmental effects like fog and wind. Everything looks incredibly professional and ready for YouTube. Download the video, then repeat the process with your other images to create multiple cinematic clips. Later, you can combine all clips in your editing software to create a complete high-quality video. Now here's something very important. Higgsfield AI also provides a monetization opportunity. If you want to earn from this platform, click on the Start Earning option. Submit your YouTube channel link. If you meet their eligibility criteria, you may qualify for their earning program and start generating income through your creative content. So viewers, this platform is not only powerful for content creation, but it also offers real earning potential. We hope you found today's tutorial extremely valuable and informative. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you never miss future trending AI tools, step-by-step tutorials, and online earning strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.